Hey, Product Hunt. Brian here. I'm the founder of ZipMessage. It's a video messaging tool made for replacing live meetings with asynchronous conversations. Now, there are 4 things about ZipMessage that make it kind of unique and really ideal for easy async conversations with your customers or your team or people you're working with. So I'm going to demo those for you now. Okay, the first thing to know about ZipMessage is that it's for sending and receiving messages and having asynchronous conversations. So what's unique is that ZipMessage threads my conversation all in one place on one page. And the messages in this conversation can be video, screen recordings, audio messages, text, attachments, and I can see who said what and when, and it's easy to link to any one of these messages. The second thing, of course, is the message recorder. So anyone you share a ZipMessage link with can record their message or their response right into the browser. They don't need to download or install any software or sign up for anything. It's super easy to just click and record. You can add some text and attachments, and you have the ability to upload your own video if you want, but it's easy enough to just record right into the browser. So I'm going to do that now. I'll put it over here. Okay, let's do this. Hey guys, here are the logo designs for the t-shirts that we're ordering for this year. Take a look. All right, so I could play it back. I could re-record if I want to, but that's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and send it off to the team. So now they all just got notified that my message was just added to our asynchronous conversation. The third piece of ZipMessage, of course, is sharing those messages and conversations. It's as easy as grabbing the link and sending it over to whoever needs to see it. Now you have the option to make conversations visible to anyone who has the link, or you can make them private and require a login. And we also have a built-in email composer, nice and clean. You even have the option to embed this entire conversation right on your own website. Now the fourth and final piece that I'll show you are intake pages. So you'll get your own intake page, and you can reserve your name or your brand as your URL for that. And that's the page where anyone can send you a message and record right into the browser. So you can pass that link around to anyone. Now you can create multiple intake pages for different purposes. For example, I created one where we'll take job applications and we want our applicants to send a video along with their application. Now this one, I put one of my template messages here as the welcome video that applicants will see before they send their response. And each time someone responds into one of these intake pages, it creates a new private one-to-one conversation with that person. So you can share your intake page links with as many people as you want. They won't see each other's messages. It's an easy way to start async conversations with many people. And if I want these intake forms on my own website, all I need to do is grab the embed code and drop it into the HTML. It just works. Now, of course, that's only scratching the surface. I haven't even gotten into our API and Zapier integration and Slack integration and automatic transcriptions and everything else that you would expect from a tool like this. So that's ZipMessage. I can't wait to hear the feedback from the Product Hunt community. I mean, we're just getting started here. So I appreciate you leaving a comment, and thank you for watching. See ya.